Oh, I'm
to bake cake. We are going to bake a cake today.
What are you going to do, Ariel? Ariel.
Ayan sayang, ayan sayang.
These are the ingredients in baking a carrot cake. 2 cups and 1/2 of vegetable oil. 4 cups of flour. 2 cups of brown sugar. 3 teaspoons of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 1 cup of white sugar and 6 shredded cups of carrots. And we have here our baking pans, 3 of them. See, they are our baking pans that we're going to use. And we have the very cute oven that I use in baking. Okay, these are our materials. We use vegetable oils, really. These are our ingredients for a very special carrot cake. So to start with, let's mix the dry ingredients. We have the flour, the salt, the cinnamon, the sugar, white and brown, and we have the baking soda. That's all. And we have our wet ingredients. We have 8 pieces of large eggs. So Oye is now mixing the 8 pieces of eggs. So Oye, you have to mix it well with a hand mixer, electric hand mixer. Okay, do it well. Very good, Oye. Very good until it became thick already. Then place the vanilla extract and mix it well. It's already mixed well, then it's time for us to place and add the vegetable oil on our egg mix. Mix it well again. Oh yeah, you may now start mixing. Very good. It's a good job. Okay, tanawa siya, oh. Okay, very good in mixing. Perfect. At this point of time, we need not to forget to preheat the oven. The oven must be 175 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then we have to set at least 40-45 minutes. Now, let's mix the flour. Slowly mix it to our well-mixed 8 pieces of egg. Okay, slowly mix the flour and the egg. Let's mix it well. Mix it well and slowly, dahan-dahan lang po ang paglagay ng flour sa ating egg. We will do it slowly and perfectly. We will mix it well until it became, oh, it's already thick. You see, our mixture is already thick. So, we're going to place here slowly and one by one our shredded carrot. For the carrot, place the carrot in our mixture. Okay, slowly, we are going to mix it very well. Mix it very well until it's already ready for baking. So, it's ready for the oven. We place it already in our baking pans. Okay, carrot cake, ready. Ready to go to the oven. Here we go. Into the oven you go. Carrot cake ready? Okay. So look at how we bake it, and it's already finished. Just done baking the carrot cake with chocolate chips. Okay, this is our finished product. And now we're ready to put our garnish in it. We're going to place whipped cream. So this is our whipped cream that we will use to garnish. Okay, so we're going to mix well. Oil is mixing well the whipped cream. Okay, look at it. Oh, say I slice then the carrot cake so that we are going to put there our whipping cream in between. Okay, slice it well. Very good. That's perfect. Okay, very nice. That's it. Okay, place the whipped cream on the cake that we slice. So, ganon na. We're going to place it slowly. And we will make it plain. Then, place our garnish. In here, I'm placing the shredded carrot cake. Then, I also placed some cashew nut. If you're going to look at our next product here, I put the chocolate chips. And, okay, that's it. Okay, enjoy your day. This is our finished product. You see how tignan natin po yung kung gaano ba talaga kalambot ang ating carrot cake. This is it. Enjoy eating. So next, you can do your own recipe at home. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. See you in our next episode.